Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Monique, and today I'm going to show you how to get this grungy kind of smoky look with a very dark lip. If you like this look, please continue to watch. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a big thumbs up. Let's get started. Alright, to get started, I'm going to use this Black Radiance True Complexion Shine Control Primer. I'm using this today just because I want a really matte look. I don't want any type of glow. So I'm going to use a good amount of this, but I'm also going to go in with a setting powder to make my face really matte and get rid of any oils. Alright, so I'm going to take my Eco Tool sponge. I'm going to get a little bit of banana powder from Makeup Revolution, and I'm going to put this all over my face to make it really matte. And I'm also going to put this in the places where I get really oily. It's usually right around my nose and my cheeks and my forehead. So while that is sitting, I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows. I'm going to use this NYX micro brow pencil, and my eyebrows are already filled in just a little bit, but I'm gonna really go in today to make them look very Instagrammy type. So I usually start out by drawing a line just underneath my brow and then filling in. So I want my eyebrows to look really defined today. I normally never carve out my eyebrows just because I like that more, what's the word, natural look. But I'm going to use this LA Girl concealer just to carve them out a little bit. And I usually just use the brush that's already on it. I'm going to blend that out with my finger. Alright, and I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me concealer just to set the rest of my eyelid. Alright, going to go back with some more powder just to set my eye. So today we're doing a really grungy type 90s vibe. So I'm going to use my Tarte Pro palette, and I'm going to go in with the color Drama all over my eyelids, but I'm not going to take it all the way into my inner corner. So I'm going to use this flat brush, and I'm going to put this on my eyelid, but I'm going to leave the inner corner free. I'm going to pack it on and leave some space in the front. So you can see I left near my inner corner with no color. So I'm going to use this blending brush. I'm going to take the color Mod, and I'm going to blend out the edges. I'm going to take another brush, not that one, take this one, and I'm going to take the color Whimsy just to blend out the Mod. This is just to soften up all the darkness I just put on my eye. I'm gonna take this flat brush and I'm gonna take the color Classic and I'm gonna put it near my inner tear duct, and I'm also gonna put it on my brow bone. And I'm gonna take a clean blending brush just to blend these two colors out at the front. I'm gonna go back in with my NYX matte liquid liner. I'm gonna do a really dramatic wing for this look. I messed that up. All right, so that wing liner is terrible. I cannot do it on camera and do it the right way. So I had to do it off camera. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my lashes on. First I'm gonna use my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And I'm gonna put on just a little bit of this just because you won't be able to see it. The whole point of putting on a mascara for your lashes is so they blend. So put a little bit of that on. And I'm gonna put on my lashes. All right, so I'm putting this glue on. Today I'm using some Kiss lashes. I don't know what they're called, but they're really long and kind of wispy a little bit. All right, while that dries, I'm gonna go ahead and put on my foundation. And I'm gonna be using, I'm gonna try using this CoverGirl Matte Made again. I had mixed reviews on this before. So I'm gonna pump some in the back of my hand. I'm gonna get my Y6 brush and let's see what happens. I wasn't really feeling this foundation just because it's very olive on me and I do not have an olive undertone whatsoever. So we're just gonna try it again. And also last time I wore it, it says matte, but I had a glow after like 30 minutes. So maybe the powder I put on my face is gonna help that. Weird because whenever I got it at Walmart, it said it was undertone golden. I'm not really feeling those vibes from this. All right, I'm gonna put my lashes on. I'm gonna go back in with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I really wanna brighten up my inner corner just because I have such dark colors on my eyelid. All right, I'm not baking today just because I've already put a lot of powder on my face. So I'm just gonna use this fluffy brush to make sure I set my face. I'm gonna go back in with my Black Radiance contour palette, and I'm really gonna chisel out my face. So I'm gonna pinch the brush and take the darkest color above the excess and do how I normally would if I was using a liquid contour. Contour the rest of my face. I'm just mixing the contour and the sculpt color. All right, I am gonna contour my nose today. Then I'm gonna go back to my lower lash line. So the first thing I'm gonna do is use this black liner. I'm gonna put a lot of liner on my lower lash line. I'm focusing a lot of it on the outer corner just to make my eyes look a little bit bigger. All right, I'm gonna take a pencil brush. I'm gonna mix Whimsy and Mod together. And I'm actually gonna bring this down pretty low, just to give me a more smoky look. I'm gonna go back in with my Too Faced mascara. And I'm gonna spray my face with this Matte Fix Plus and matte, but I'm also gonna cover my eyes because I don't like this stuff whenever it gets on my eyeshadow. I'm gonna put on a little bit of blush, just this rusty color. I don't want anything too pink. So I've been excited about this lip combination. I'm gonna go in with the NYX brown lip liner, and I'm gonna overline my lip. I'm also gonna go in with, I think it says Laga Cloud Lips. I got this in a BoxyCharm a few months ago, but it's a really, really dark, like red. And then in the center, I'm gonna go in with this ColourPop beeper just to give my lip some dimension. And also makes my lip look bigger. I'm not gonna use any highlight today just because I said I was going for a really matte look. So here is the completed look, and I hope you guys liked it. All right, we are all done. I hope you liked this look. I really like the technique when you put the powder all over your face. It really gave me a really matte look, and I'm really, really loving it. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Bye.